Time for board math. Jonathan, turn around, look up here. Okay, let's have some fun. All together. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Read it with me. What number is it? 20. How do you make a 20? A 2 for the tens and 0 for the ones. 20. What number comes next? 15, 16, 17. How do you write a 17? A 1 for the 10, a 7 for the ones, 17. 17, 16, 15. How do you write a 15? A 1 for the 10, a 5 for the ones, 15. How many do you see? Okay, there's like a path we can follow. Here we go, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How do we write an 18? 1 for the 10, an 8 for the ones, 18. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First question I always like to ask, are the two numbers equal? Remember, equal means the same. Nope. They both have ones in the ones column, but look at the tens. So now I'm asking which one is greater, which one's bigger. Yep, 21. So we want to eat that. And then we read it. 11 is less than 21. Number sentences. Read it with me. 8 minus 5 equals. Quick mental math. Good. Remember, minus means to take away. So we can do it with our fingers. I got 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna take away 5. Hey, there's 5 right there. Just take those away. 1, 2. Or we can do our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus means take away 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Read it with me. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Here we go. 9 minus 6 equals, quick mental math. Okay, we can do our subtraction with our fingers. Quick and easy. We got 9 minus, take away 6. So there's 5, 6. We can draw our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 6, take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 2, 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Read it with me. 9 minus 6 equals 3. One more. 10 minus 7 equals, quick mental math. Fingers, 10, there's 10 of them. 5, 6, 7. How many are left? Pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus means to take away 7 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? That's right. Here we go. Read it together. 10 minus 7 equals 3. How many in the 10 frames? Got 2 10 frames here. Top one's all full. There's 10. Bottom one's not full. It only has 1. What's 10 and 1? 11. How many more to make 20? Okay, so 20 is 2 10s. This one's full, but we got to get this one full, so let's fill it up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. How do we write a 9? Circle and a line makes number 9. Here we go. What shape is it? Here's our drawing of it, but here's one in real life. Look at those faces. Look at it. It's a cube. Cube. How do you know? Well, just talked about those faces. They're squares. There are 6 square faces. And then what can a cube do? Remember, a cube can slide. A cube can stack. But it cannot roll. Remember, we talked about that being tumbling. It cannot roll. Cube. Here we go. Read it with me. What shapes do you see? Let's move over. We're back at the firehouse. Lots of shapes. Do you see a circle? Where's a rectangle? Lots of rectangles. Where are some squares? Anyone find any other shapes? Does anybody see any triangles? Look up there at that uppercase A. Good job, you guys. Word problem. Read it 2 times. We can do our math, but we got to check it. Okay, here we go. Emily has 5 apples. Emily gives 3 apples to Jonathan. He says thank you. How many apples does Emily have now? Good mental math. Let's do our work and check though. Emily has 5 apples. What's important? That Emily has 5 apples. Emily gives 3 apples to Jonathan. What's important? Emily gives 3 apples to Jonathan. He says thank you. Okay, that's important, but not for the math problem. Good manners, Jonathan. How many apples does Emily have now? So they're asking, how many apples does Emily have now? Emily have now. Okay, so let's check our work. How do we do? Well, Emily started with how many apples? 5. So she's got her 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you got the right. Emily gives 3 apples to Jonathan. So we got Jonathan here now. And Emily's giving 3 of her apples to Jonathan. So we got to take them away from her. 1, 2, 3. And give them to Jonathan. 1, 2, 3. Jonathan says thank you, but that doesn't matter right now. Good job though, Jonathan. How many apples does Emily have now? Well, Emily gave those 3 to Jonathan, so now she only has 2 apples. Because 5 minus 3 equals 2. 2 what? 2 apples. Does that make sense? It does. Great. Nice job, everyone on board math. Loud and proud. Diana, I can hear you. Good job, everyone.